Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Parts of Computer. In the previous chapter, we learned about computer and the types of computer. Right? So today I am going to tell you about parts of computer and also the processes on which computer works. So there are four main basic parts of computer: monitor, keyboard, CPU and a mouse. You have already seen these parts in your previous classes also, and you are working nowadays on computers. So you must be familiar about these parts. So now let us discuss about the functions of these parts. So the first part is monitor. You can see the blue picture. Monitor, it is just like a TV screen. Whatever work we do on computer, we can see that work on a screen, and that screen is called a monitor. It is a device that displays words and pictures. It is also called as VDU, and the full form of VDU is Visual Display Unit. The second part is keyboard. Now you can see the black picture of keyboard, and you can see small buttons on this. So these buttons are called as keys, and it is used to type letters, numbers and different symbols. Letters means you can see A, B, C alphabet keys are there on the keyboard. Then we have 0 to 9, these are the number keys. And symbol keys, we have different symbols, like we have arrow keys, we have enter key. So this is very useful to do work on a computer. Now the next part is mouse. Mouse, it is a pointing device. It is used to select things on a computer. You can see the picture of a mouse. So whatever we have some files on a computer, or whatever work we do on the computer, we save it in the form of files. So if you want to open that file, we can open it with the help of mouse. It is called a pointing device. We can point out things on a computer with the help of mouse. And it is also used for playing games, drawing pictures. The next part is CPU. This is the most important part of a computer. Why? Because it is the brain of a computer. Like humans have brain and all our body parts are controlled by brain, in the same way all other parts are controlled by CPU in a computer. The instructions we give, it is processed by CPU and then it gives results. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Now let us see some more parts of computer. You can see printer. Now printer, it helps you to get your work on paper. When we have written something on computer, we have saved the file. Now if you want to have it on paper, then you can take it out with the help of a machine, that is printer. So you can take out the work on a paper, and that work is called printout. The other useful part is UPS. It stands for uninterrupted power supply. It keeps the computer working for some times when the electricity goes off. Now you can see some other parts: speakers, headphones and microphones. You can see the two speakers here. Speakers help us to hear the sounds and sounds. Whatever, if you are playing any video on YouTube, or the video which I am sending, if you are playing that, so you are able to hear it if you have speakers, because there are speakers attached in a computer. Headphones help us to listen music. You can see the picture of headphones. So this is another way to listen to the music and also without disturbing others. Then we have microphones. These are used for recording voice and other sounds. So all these are parts of computer that make computer a very useful thing nowadays. Now Let me tell you about processes of computer. Processes means how does a computer works. Computer कैसे काम करता है. So computer works on IPO process. Now I means input, process, P means process, and O means output. So it follows IPO cycle while working. Now input means whatever we are asking computer to do. Now we can type something through a keyboard and we can give instructions to computer by providing input. Then in CPU the processing work is done and then we can see the result. If we are typing something we can see the result on a monitor. So that monitor work which we are able to see on a monitor, that is output. So the computer works on IPO cycle. Input what we are giving to the computer, then the processing is done and then we get the result. Now as I told you that computer works on IPO cycle. So there are input and output devices on a computer. So let us see input devices. Input, it means the devices that we use to give information or commands or instructions to the computer. So as we can give instructions while using a keyboard, we can write something and we can give instructions through keyboard. We can do it with the help of microphone, mouse and webcams. It captures the images of a person. Like you are able to see me with the help of webcam. So these are all input devices. Okay, now let us see the output devices. So these are the output devices. Output devices, these help to display result. So when I type something with the help of keyboard, that is the input, and the result I can see it on a monitor. So monitor is a output device. In the same way, printer and speaker, these are the output devices on a computer. So my dear children, today we have learnt about the parts of computer and the input and output devices. Kindly listen to the video carefully and do the reading of chapter number 2 in your computer books. We are going to continue this chapter in our online session. I hope you understood about parts of computer. Thank you. Bye-bye.